Hello and welcome. Picture our brain as the ultimate processor. Today we'll decode its goal-setting algorithm and share tips to optimize it. Ready to dive in? Meet my dog, Thor. On a recent woodland walk, something fascinating kicked off in his brain. Let's explore. After a couple of hours, Thor starts to feel agitated and quickly remembers how effective water was in calming this agitation. So he has a singular goal in mind: find water. As he scans the surroundings, a stress-induced chemical blend fuels him. Out of the blue, he detects the distant murmur of a waterfall, and the main player joins: dopamine. This neurotransmitter aids Thor by sharpening focus without increasing the breakpoint meter, optimizing the engine fuel consumption efficiency, and signaling the basal ganglia for more of that rewarding action. This intricate dance in Thor's brain guides him to water. Now, let's take a look at our brain. It comes with extra hardware. There's the Captain Front Cortex, which is guided by the project manager's blueprint. This captain navigates the tumultuous seas of our emotions. When he realizes we're on the right path, guess who he pings? Our trusty friend, dopamine. But here's the kicker. Unlike other animals, we can train our captain to be resilient, to understand that braving a storm may be part of our journey. And when that happens, he has a direct hotline to dopamine to spur us into action. Nifty, right? So how do we maximize our chances of success? Tools for the project manager. 1. Analog drafting kit. A simple pen and paper. This is how we better code our brain. 2. Goals repository. Enumerate all your goals, from improving your health to establishing a company or becoming a better parent or spouse. 3. Goal selector. Focus on goals that stretch your capabilities, or else the start engine won't work. Aim for the golden 85% success rate. 4. Actionable verbs. Define the verbs that will consume the bulk of your effort. These are the pivotal routines and habits, much like the primary functions of an application. 5. Weekly milestones. Set clear milestones for the next 12 weeks. Like code versions for your next app, we suggest you use methodologies like SMART to guide you. Enhancing the communications between the captain and the project manager. 1. Close your eyes. Focus on and feel your breath. Do this for 3 breaths. 2. Stretch out your arm. Fix your gaze on your hand. Hold for 3 breaths. 3. Look at an object about 5 yards away. Concentrate on it for 3 breaths. 4. With eyes wide open, take a panoramic view and breathe 3 times. 5. Repeat the entire sequence 2 to 3 times a day. General tips. Maintain discretion about your goals until you initiate action. You don't want to call dopamine at the wrong time of the process. For visual aids, regularly update or relocate them daily to maintain their effectiveness. Starting the engine. Ask yourself, how motivated do I feel today for this goal? 2. Based on your score. Score 6 to 10. Activate dopamine. Spend 3 to 5 minutes immersing yourself in the joy and success of achieving that goal. Visual aids like photos can enhance this experience. Score 0 to 4. Trigger stress. Spend 3 to 5 minutes contemplating the impact of not reaching your goal. What might you miss out on? What could be the consequences? Narrowed concentration trigger. Focus intently on an object within your arm's reach for about 90 seconds. Let this close attention recalibrate your mind, then launch into your task. Bonus: if energy wanes mid-task, use this trick to refuel. After nailing a milestone, be it a week's achievement or any other target you've set with the planner, it's time to add some unpredictable fun. Flip a coin. Let chance decide if you're getting that delicious ice cream or another tempting reward. This element of surprise is what makes casinos so addictive and can give you an excitement boost for the next work stretch. Midweek slump. Recognize that Wednesdays or midpoints can sometimes be muddy. Motivation might wane, so consider breaking your work sessions into smaller chunks and acknowledge the midweek slump on these days to maintain momentum. Tune into your body clock. Typically, your energy and focus spike around 30 minutes, 3 hours, and 11 hours post-waking. If feasible, align these peaks with your work sessions to maximize productivity. End of day reflection. Before calling it a night, jot down the day's achievements that moved you closer to your goal. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back. This practice not only boosts morale, but also sets a positive tone for the next day. Optimize, execute, and watch your neural code transform outcomes. Stay tuned for more content.